Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Outlook password. First of all, you can open your Outlook by going to Microsoft.com and then go into your account right here, as you can see, and this will take you to this page. From your account center, you need to go ahead and click on privacy and you will be able to open this page. Now they will ask you to write down your password. Now just type it in, and sometimes they will ask you for a captcha or a verification. In case you don't want to go through this, you will have to verify your information anyway, or simply click I don't have any of these, so you can proceed without them. But for now, we need to actually go through them, so I'm gonna click here and verify my account. And as you can see, right after I have succeeded by putting my information and confirming my identity, the security page should look something like this. Now, to change your password, you're simply going to click on change password, which is located right over here. And right after you click on it, you should simply write down your new password and re-enter the password. Make sure it has a minimum of 8 characters and a case sensitive. And that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this.